What I really enjoyed about the workshop is how fun it was. It was very productive. I think I up leveled my skills and level of confidence much quicker than if I had tried to do this on my to do it on my own. Evie has a great eye for detail, and the feedback is kind, which is great, but it's also very constructive. And I enjoyed learning from her. I enjoyed learning from the rest of the group. It's kind of nice to also know that some of the concerns that you might have are shared by other people. And it's really an experience I enjoyed. I can't believe it's over. We got a lot of practice, and I feel much better equipped for practicing even more. So I'm really grateful, and I would recommend the workshop to anyone who's interested in practicing and getting better at befriending your camera.